Hello there, beautiful people. Today we're speaking everything that's related to Mihlali Ndamase. We're also speaking about her partner or her boyfriend, Leeroy Sidambe, and Leeroy Sidambe's wife, Mary-Jane Sidambe. So as you all know, this has been the love triangle of note. It's been scandal after video, after speculation, just everything that you can think of that has been spoken about this trio or the situation between Mihlali Ndamase and Leeroy Sidambe has been spoken about. But today's video is specifically about a ruling that a judge made against Leeroy Sidambe. As you all know, news broke out that Leeroy Sidambe had allegedly gifted Mihlali Ndamase or gave Mihlali Ndamase a Range Rover. The problem came where Mary-Jane Sidambe, who is Leeroy's estranged wife, if I can call her that, where she basically took Leeroy Sidambe to court and, tried to get that Range Rover given back to her, obviously by the courts, because she claimed that that Range Rover was in fact a gift that was given to her by Leeroy Sidambe. While they were still together, obviously to celebrate, their anniversary, an anniversary of some sort. So she took Leeroy Sidambe to court over the Range Rover that he had allegedly given to Mihlali Ndamase. And now it is being reported that Leeroy Sidambe has been ordered by the court to basically return that car back to his wife, his estranged wife, Mary-Jane Sidambe. And they've ordered him to do a couple of things, which I will quote. So this is an article that I'm going to be quoting from an article that I saw online, and it says that Leeroy Sidambe is ordered to return the Range Rover, which is a 2020 model, to the applicant, whom I'm assuming is Mary-Jane Sidambe, from the day that the order came out. It says the court ordered the businessman to pay for various things, which include maintenance and repairs of the vehicle and the other Range Rover Sport. He is to pay the balloon payment of the Range Rover Sport to the BMW Financial Services within 30 days from the date of the order. The entrepreneur was also ordered to pay 156,000 Rand a month toward the maintenance of his wife and children on the first day of every month. Leeroy was asked to pay an undisclosed amount for his wife's and children's medical aid. The businessman also has to pay rates and services, water and electricity in the rented property occupied by his wife and children. The order also forced him to pay a deposit for the rented property where his wife and children stay and pay over 1.7 million for the legal costs she incurred during the litigation. The respondent shall also pay to the applicant a contribution towards her legal costs in the sum of 1.7 million within 14 days from the date of this order, payable into the trust account of the applicant's attorney. And that basically is what the order read, okay? So basically, that is basically everything that Leeroy has been ordered by the court to return to his wife and to pay, allegedly, from the article and obviously from the news that are, basically flying around on social media. What do I think about the situation? I'm not going to speak specifically about, Mihlali and Leeroy's relationship, because I know absolutely zero when it comes to that. I'm not going to speak about whether she should or should not be with a married man. Listen, we all have freedom of choice. People make choices according to their moral compass. I've got nothing to do with that. But I am going to speak about, the ruling of the judge that was made allegedly against Leeroy. I think that if you gift someone, or if you gift something to someone rather, it's very vile and it's very, in my opinion, childish. It's very petty of you to try and take that gift away from that person and then re-gift it to someone else. I think that that speaks about the character of the person, and it also speaks about the fact that, in my opinion, whatever this person seems to give to you and does for you is not from the bottom of from his heart or her heart, but it just comes with conditions. On condition that you're still with me and that I'm still with you, I'm gifting you this thing or this property or this asset, but just know that once we are over and done with, I have the right to take it away. That's the type of character that I think Leeroy has, based on the fact that he has now, or he had gifted his wife with the Range Rover that he had allegedly taken away and given to his new girlfriend. For me, that's just dead wrong, and obviously I 100% support the ruling. Gifts are gifts, guys. Don't be those people who try to take gifts back after a breakup. It is not cute. It is not cute. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, tell me what you think about the situation in the comment section, and I will see you in my next upload. Goodbye, lovelies.